Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and in today's video I'm going to be installing my exclusive registrations number plates, so let's get into it. So I ordered my exclusive registrations number plates after Christmas because he done like a deal for me, and I'm getting my number plates for my birthday, and basically tomorrow's my birthday, which will be the day this video goes out. So basically in the video it will be today, but this is the evening beforehand, so I'll see you guys tomorrow when I'm installing them, so hopefully you enjoy it. Like I say, if you want to go buy yourself some exclusive registration number plates, I'll leave the link to their Instagram in the description. And please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.